I'm going to keep it secret until I'm ready. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney. Is that you? Are you keeping secrets? Waiting until you're ready? Well, when are you ever going to be ready? And how safe are those secrets while you're waiting? I'm going to unfold a few things for you to think about these trade secrets, which is what you're keeping. Inventions, innovations, competitive advantages, ways you compete in the market, produce your products, system, your process. Those are all secrets. Those are part of what makes your company, maybe you're all by yourself, your own personal business, valuable. That's what gives you that edge. That's what makes customers want to buy your products, your services, and so forth. Being in that trade secret mode is pretty dangerous. There's some really big risks there because secrets leak. As soon as you hire that first employee and that one becomes 2 or 5 or 10 employees, people talk. And so the best way to control is to protect, right? Because you don't want them to take anything away with them when they leave or if they start talking outside work. Yes, there are methods to go down litigation and go after employees that misappropriate trade secrets. But that's expensive. It makes you look kind of foolish, right? You're chasing your old ex-employees around, and it can be really hard to sort of put a Band-Aid on it and to control everything. So to sort of get around that, you've got to file patents on what you think is important, what you think is going to be a game changer and might give you that competitive advantage against your competitors. Let me give you 3 examples. First one is Coca-Cola. Classic, right? What is in the classic Coca-Cola recipe? They've spent a century fighting leaks, thefts, and knockoffs. That costs money, real money, to keep things secret and protected. Compare that with Red Bull, which decided to patent their formula. And Trademark, as you know, their cool, fun, edgy brand, that secured global control and brand recognition. Goodyear tires, they once lost millions of dollars when a competitor patented their rubber vulcanization process. Even though Goodyear had that invention in-house, because they didn't take action, they wanted to keep it secret, they lost the rights to keep it because someone else beat them to it. So by keeping that secret, you're betting against other smart, intelligent companies, people that are just like you, that are probably looking to file the same invention. So don't wait. Now, Apple computers, they file and get patents on products before they even launch because they know people are going to talk and leaks are going to happen. So the big theme here is you can't stop people from talking, but you can stop them from taking by owning those inventions and filing patents on them. So keeping a secret might feel safe until it's not. I'm JD Houvener. If you have any questions, get a hold of me and my law firm at boldpatents.com. Learn about how to move from trade secret to patent granted. Have a good day, everybody. Go big, go bold.